All these random things here. I need to sort them. But how? Welcome back, my name is CocoaCoCi and today we are playing Scrap Mechanic and I will show you how to sort your blueprints. And as you can see, I already did sort some of them. And yeah, for example, some of the streets on the top and some of the bowling alleys right here and the buses. Like our awesome strawberry rainbow bus. And also down here I have all these awesome rooms, and now I will show you how to sort them. And also here the cars sorted together. And alright, so let's exit the game because otherwise you won't see any progress. To get in this folder there, you need to get onto your hard drive where you also installed Windows. For me it's C, and then go to user, your username, app data, roaming, Xlot games, scrap mechanic, user, and then click on user underscore and then a random number. Okay, so then you will see this. Save is where all your worlds are in, and the blueprints folder is where we need to go. The other way to get there is press Windows and R for run, and then search for %appdata%, and then you will get in the folder like this. And then also click on Xlot games, scrap mechanic, user with your user number, and then click on blueprints. And here we are. Okay, so now there are a lot of random numbers. These are all your blueprints and I have a ton of them. The easiest way to rename stuff is just by clicking F2 on the folder you want to rename. But before this you actually would have to check what it is. For example, let's get inside here and see, okay, that's I think you also could, if you don't get what the picture shows, you also can go to the description and open it with something like Notepad++, or go ahead and use such other programs like the editor or whatever you will use. And then open this, and then you can see here it's a four-way pipe. So you could go ahead and press F2 as a four-way pipe, and then it would get sorted in the list on this position because the 4, and all your creations have a number at the start. So if you would only rename one, for example, we have the duck truck trailer number 2, I think. Then we would go ahead and rename it to duck truck version 3. I already renamed 2 things of this. And then type in trailer 2. So as you now can see, all these duck trucks we will find in the blueprint section at one place. Also I sorted some of the bowling alleys together, and these are all the stuff from my rooms. It's a bit tricky to find stuff if you just saved a blueprint. For example, if you just placed or build a car and you just save the blueprint, then you could find it right here. If you click on the date and make it so it sorts that the newest is on top, then just click inside and you can see here it's, in this case it's our Spy Cakes car I made for him, or I recolored for him. So I would go ahead and say small city car spy, and then it would go ahead and don't move because now it's still the same date of change, I guess. But if I now would sort by name and scroll down to S, where are you? Here are all these cars I've found so far. And for example, okay, this I do it like, okay, this lamp is for decoration, so I type in like deco for decoration, short form, and then standing lamp or something, and then all my decorations get together in one section. I actually could go ahead and say, now you will find stuff easier. If after you renamed them, you can press F2 to rename them, or right click and rename them, or just if you select it, wait a second and then click again, and then you will also be able to rename it, like put a deco in front, and then it get teleported to the others. Okay, perfect. I was searching for streets like this. Okay, that's, for example, if I want all my streets on top at the very first beginning of my blueprints, then I would have to go ahead and type in something like some zeros, so it get teleported to the top, and then just type in something like street 1 segment, and then it's at the start with all these others. And yeah, I have this street 2 times because my blueprints folder got this big that I really got confused. And now we will start scrap mechanic like this. Axolot games, loading up all the blueprints, load game, sort the blueprints, that's the world I was at the beginning. And then eventually, when it did load, you will now see all these streets. That's the street we just renamed. And if we would now scroll down a bit, for example, these are all named bowling alley or bowling, and then the name, like for example, this is called, the folder of this is called bowling 10 pins. So they get all together. And if we now take a look, now here we see Spycake's car is right next to the others. And what did she just sort? I think the duck truck stuff. Yes, as you can see, here it is, next to the others. And here are all the deco stuff, the decoration I just renamed, the fence, the lamp, and yeah. So that's the way to sort your stuff. And I'm really happy that I discovered this. I think that's all for today. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one.